Ending number 7 for Chainsaw Man. Basically every ending so far has been a banger, at least for me. I don't think there was a song that I didn't enjoy. So let's see if they they do it again. We're so close to 400 subscribers, so that's my goal for this month. But other than that, let's go, man. Wait a minute, that's like pop retro. This looks. Okay, that's the. Oh, that's sick. The visual, like a video game on the old TV. Whoa! What is Makima doing there? It's really a retro ending, like a 90. Okay, we're good. Why? Why is this is really a ending for ordinary people? I see. I see. Oh. The instrumental is really good. Leaving the voice, even though it's not my style, it's okay. I like this. I really like the retro style. Nice. Love is I was not expecting this. I'm reacting to the ending before the episode, so I don't really understand, but there's probably gonna be some sus stuff or any stuff. I'll be reacting to the episode when it comes out on YouTube, so if you want to catch my reaction to it, subscribe. But yeah, not my favorite, but still really good. Like I said, the visuals were sick, the retro style. The voice is just not my style, but it wasn't bad. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this ending, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.